Hi guys, with another video today, and I would like to show you how you can put this extension hose on the propane, this Bernzomatic. This is the one we're gonna use it now. What I was using, that it was too short. It was here, right here, and I said let me put the extension I can work easily, and this is the one I'm gonna put it. I'll show you how you can take it out. And this is the part, is goes right here, as you see controller here. This is goes here. Okay, just tight with the hand. If you have a plier, use your plier. This is the one, little bit, put here and little tight, and that's it. Then after that, the other side is other side. Torch. This is the one. Okay, let's put here. Oh, sorry, the other side. This is the side. And then put this. Oh, like that. This is the way you're gonna put it. Exactly like this. And this way, easily, you can use wherever you can pull it. The other way, it was so hard to use the propane. Now there's a hose, makes it easier. So guys, this is the way the connection you can do. The extension hose on the Bernzomatic propane. And yeah, let me now there is two controller here and here, and you have to open here first, then after that this part, then you can fire it. Yeah, anyway, so this is it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Alright guys, bye.